On Wednesday, Parliament remembered the victims of the Chernobyl nuclear disaster on April the 26th, 30 years ago in Ukraine. How many were killed remains undetermined, but millions were affected, hundreds of thousands evacuated from their homes.
Über unterschiedliche parteipolitische und nationalstaatlichen Streit hinweg müssen wir uns in jedem Fall darauf einigen, dass wir Sorge dafür zu tragen haben, dass Atomkraftwerke in Europa und in unserer Umgebung sicher sind.
At the mini-plenary on Thursday, the implementation of the EU-Turkey deal on migration was debated. Some highlighted its advances. Others voiced concern about fundamental rights violations in Turkey.
Non può esserci nessun baratto sul terreno del rispetto dei diritti umani, sul terreno del rispetto del pluralismo dell'informazione, sul terreno del rispetto delle minoranze.
Tuesday saw a big conference with Muslim community members to discuss how to stop Islamic radicalisation. The recent Brussels attacks were the latest show of terror by the so-called Islamic State. One conclusion of the conference: dialogue is the key to stopping radical jihadism, laying rot to the religion of Islam.
Vuole dimostrare che c'è un Islam che si impegna contro la radicalizzazione. Vogliamo che l'Islam isoli i terroristi. Chi spara in nome di Dio spara contro Dio.
Measures to improve inter-EU railway operations and boost the role of the European Railway Agency were debated and voted on by MEPs on Thursday. These should prepare national networks for liberalisation. There are more than 215,000 kilometres of track and more than 800 companies active in the sector in the EU.
Was wichtig ist, ist der technische Pfeiler, dass im Grunde wir die Europäische Eisenbahnagentur, dass die bei den Innovationen das letzte Wort hat.
Fearless into battle, defending the defenceless against imagined enemies, Don Quixote and his faithful servant Sancho lay siege to the European Parliament. The ultimate figure of noble self-delusion was here to promote culture as the essential foundation for European citizenship and
desfacer el vicio y ennoblecer la virtud.
Los grandes creadores son la brújula para Europa, la brújula también para los políticos europeos.